Hello everyone, welcome back to MediPlacebo. In today's video, I will be teaching you about the musculocutaneous nerve. The musculocutaneous nerve is a branch of brachial plexus which originates from the lateral cord, and it supplies the muscles of anterior compartment of arm. Since it originates from the lateral cord, and we know that the lateral cord is formed from the anterior divisions of the superior and the middle trunk. As we can see in the diagram, the anterior division of the superior trunk and the anterior division of the middle trunk forms the lateral cord. So the root value of musculocutaneous nerve is C5, C6 and C7. Next, the other salient features regarding musculocutaneous nerve are that it runs along with the third part of the axillary artery, and it is present lateral to the axillary artery. Next, it arises from the lower border of pectoralis minor. The next salient feature regarding musculocutaneous nerve is that it continues in the forearm as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. Since the musculocutaneous nerve terminates at the elbow joint, next we will look at the path or the course of the musculocutaneous nerve. The musculocutaneous nerve originates from C5, C6 and C7 spinal nerve roots, and it merges together and passes under the clavicle, and it will pierce the coracobrachialis muscle in the axillary region and will move forward between the brachialis and the biceps brachii muscle, and will further move laterally to the tendon of biceps brachii. Here at the elbow joint, the musculocutaneous nerve will terminate and will further continue as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. The lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm will take sensory supply from the lateral part of forearm. The name musculocutaneous in itself can be divided into two halves, that is musculo and cutaneous. That is, musculo refers that it supplies the anterior aspect of arm, and cutaneous refers that it takes sensory supply from the lateral part of the forearm. The easiest way to remember the muscle supply by musculocutaneous nerve is by the famous mnemonic BBC, that is B for brachialis, B for biceps brachii and C for coracobrachialis. Now, the important point to remember is that the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm will pierce the deep fascia and will continue its path further. The other point which I want to tell you here is that few lateral fibers of brachialis muscle are supplied by the radial nerve, and mostly the brachialis muscle in itself is supplied by the musculocutaneous nerve. Next, we will take a look at a diagram which will clear the path of the musculocutaneous nerve and its relation with respect to the muscles. The musculocutaneous nerve will pass under the clavicle, and it can be seen arising from the pectoralis minor. Next, it will pierce the coracobrachialis muscle and will pass between the biceps brachii and brachialis muscle, and it will move laterally and form the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, and will also pierce the deep fascia. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.